Okay, so this video is for people who have a Vax Rapid Power Pro or any other similar carpet cleaner, and you're having the problem of water gushing out of these holes here. You will probably be coming through this one, or these two here. And that's because a certain part has got a crack in it, and it's just leaking all the water through. Okay, so what you're going to want to do, you're going to need some silicone first of all, and one of those pump things so you can actually get it out. You're going to want to undo the screws here, basically anywhere that has a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. You also want to make sure to remove these two because they actually keep it on as well. So then you flip it around as well. There you go. And you remove these two screws here and here, and then you can kind of, it might be a bit rough to take off, don't use too much force or you might break it, but it should just come off then quite easily. And the part that's probably leaking is this part here. So what you'd see, the solution tank, if the problem is whenever you've got the water on it, it will probably just continuously leak water, because what it's doing is it's getting like the pressure and it's trying to sustain like a steady amount of water in here. Now I've took the water tank off right now. I've fixed it mostly. It only leaks a few bits now. And what you want to do to take it off, you're going to want to undo this screw here, that one. And then you can just use some pliers to get it out. Pick it up from these. Probably fall down there. What you want to do, you can just disconnect this pipe here. Yeah, you can just pull it off. I've screwed it back in. And then what you want to do, you're just going to want to put silicone all around it. So the bit that got broken, my one, was this side here, where the screws are at the bottom. It just had a massive crack in it. So I put silicone around this part here to make sure no water was coming out of there. And then I put it on the bottom of it, and basically what I've done now, I just put silicone all around it, on top of the screws as well, because the water will even get through those gaps. And even those little gaps there, and there's a gap. Sorry. So I just took the screw off just because it's going to be a lot easier for me just to show rather than just say stuff. So all you got to do, I've undone this, yeah? You just kind of get it out, and that's all. And then you can just pull it off here. I'm just going to pause while I get this off. Now while you're pulling off this tube, make sure there's a carpet underneath, because if you've got the water tank attached, or if in any case there's actually any water there, it will all come flooding out just a little bit. And this is where the water builds up, and then it just goes through these holes here. So what I've done, as you can see, I've just put silicone all around it, because you can buy genuine Vax parts off the internet, well, from Vax themselves. I'll put a link in the description. I had to order a spin scrub brush because ours broke. And yeah, this is just where I put the silicone all around here, all on the screws. Here as well, you can see where the screws just rusted a bit and it's kind of broke. I've put it all in here as well. And the main bit here that you want to focus on, well, make sure you get after the bottom bit, is this bit here. Underneath it, there'll be a little gap where all the water can come out. So make sure that you get that pretty good. And also the side here, make sure you get the top. And yeah, just kind of circle it all around. Because I haven't seen anywhere that actually sells, this exact part. So that's, yeah. And then just silicone that up, reattach it, and it should stop the water problem. Hope this helped you.